Sometimes you find some cool stuff in the junkyard, and sometimes it turns out to be junk. Thought we found a replacement door panel. Looks like it's in good shape until you get to here. And climate control is boogered, so that's not an option either. So there's quite a few Jeeps in the yard today. This is a 2000 Limited WJ. We were able to acquire some parts. Windshield washer reservoir, some weather stripping, and on this Limited, we found some tow hooks. So we'll get those cleaned up and put on ours. Let's take a look at the other ones. A lot of Jeeps here at the yard today. It's good for me, getting all the parts I need. Working on a hitch right now off that 2000 they're looking at. Here's another Limited. Oh, column's gone out of there. 2-wheel drive, dual climate zone. Don't have that. No good to me. Okay. Nobody's gotten to this yet. There's another Limited. Mostly there. All the doors are pretty much boogered. And of course, I'm not finding the interior the color that I need. Ooh, it's doesn't smell pleasant in there. There are a bunch of them. Right, let's go right over here. This is the one I pulled the weather stripping off of. And it's gone already. I believe this one, yeah, tan interior. Did have this, but it's broken as well, right there. So I'll keep hunting for one of these. Not today, apparently. All right, so this 2000 WJ was generous enough to donate its factory tow hitch to us. So we will be taking that along with the rest of our haul over here. And a couple more WJs back there, so we'll take a look and see what we can find. All right, so we acquired some weather stripping for both sides, a bunch of bolts and screws and clips that we needed. I was able to score a 7-pin to 4-pin. And then we got all the bolts for the tow hooks. So we got these guys. Get those cleaned up and put on. And then the rest of our haul is obviously the factory hitch. I already had the harness. And then we got the thicker gas tank skid plate. They didn't even charge us for this skid plate. It was just sitting in there. And so that is what it is. And then washer reservoir with motors. And that's pretty much all we were able to grab today. Really wanted to find the climate control panel because that one up there is really nasty. But we'll just have to keep looking. You guys keep watching them, I'll keep making them.